To charge your electrified G80, you will need to access the charging door located on the front grille of the vehicle. Note that the charging door has a G on it. But first, make sure the parking brake is applied, the vehicle is shifted into park, and press the Start/Stop button to turn the vehicle off. The exterior charging door only opens when the vehicle is unlocked. Insert the charging connector securely into the slot and the vehicle will provide confirmation of charging. The cluster will display current state of charge, charging speed in kilowatts, and charging time until the selected max percentage charge is reached. There are 3 settings to lock the charging cable. Press Setup, then EV, then Lock Charging Cable, and then select from 3 choices: Always, Lock while charging, and Do not lock. Always Lock mode locks the charging connector as soon as it is inserted and can only be removed after unlocking the doors. Lock while charging mode locks when charging starts and unlocks when the vehicle is charged to 100%. Do not lock mode keeps the charging connector unlocked when it is inserted. To release after unlocking, simply press the charging connector release button and disconnect the charger. In the case of emergencies, the charging handle can be manually unlocked by pulling the emergency cable located under the hood. Pull on the cable and the charging handle lock will release. To close the charging door, simply close the door and note that it is flush with the grille. If the charging door does not fully close for any reason, a charging door warning lamp will illuminate in the instrument cluster. When plugged in, the charging status lights will illuminate next to the charging handle. These lights will indicate the battery level from very low to high. Another method is to take a look at the instrument cluster, where it will state the current state of charge. When charging, the high voltage indicator light may illuminate as well if the 12-volt auxiliary battery is being charged or scheduled air conditioning or heating is operating. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.